Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I appreciate you. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 crops that you could grow here in the month of January in Zone 9A, Florida. Let's get started. So the first thing that you can pot in January here is bok choy. I started these back on December 17th last year, and there were 4 and only 1 has survived. So we're going to go ahead and pot it up here. And all I'm going to do is pot it or plant it next to one of my drip emitters. I'm going to go down the depth of the plant itself currently, which is probably about the width of my hand here. And we're just going to pop it out like so. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. You know, pop it in the hole that we just did, backfill, and just like that, we have planted bok choy. Now, the next thing that we're going to plant is also going to be in this bed. It's going to be celery. Now, this is a variety called Moringa hybrid, and we're going to go ahead and plant it, maybe about 4 or 5 plants here in this row. And all I'm going to do is take my hori and dig a little furrow along the drip line. And we're going to open it up and drop the seeds in and then cover back up. These have been treated, they're pelleted, because celery seeds are very, very, very small. And we're just going to drop every few inches into the furrow. And we're just going to lightly cover them back up. I think I'm going to do another row here on this drip line. Won't have as many seeds as the first row, but we'll have more celery. So let's get some more seeds. And we're going to drop them in the hole. And now we're going to lightly cover them with the soil. And just like that, we have 2 of the 4 planted. Now we're going to go over to the raised bed that had our cauliflower. We're going to add some amendment in the form of homemade compost. And then we're going to plant the other 2 crops that you could plant in there. So this is the bed that we recently harvested the cauliflower out of. On that side of the bed, we have stonehead cabbage. And on this side of the bed, we're going to add, excuse me, we're going to add some compost in, and we're going to add, what we're going to plant is, I guess you can consider it a root vegetable. We're going to plant some potatoes on this end, and on this end, we're going to try once again to plant some spinach. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've already removed the drip tape or drip line, and I have compost that I dumped in the bed, but I did not mix it in or anything like that. So we're going to do that first. So these are Baltic Rose seed potatoes that I got from Wood Prairie Family Farms. And I'm going to go ahead and plant these in this end of the raised bed, and then forget about them. And hopefully we will have potatoes later on in the summer. So all I'm doing is taking the seed potato and going down about 9-10 inches and planting it. So we're going to take the mulch that we removed and the soil and put it back where it was and cover the potatoes up. Now, the last thing that we can plant is another leafy green, and this is spinach. This is from Haas Tools, and these are on tape. So all I'm going to do is lay them down where I want to plant them at, and then lightly cover them with the soil. So here is the seed tape for the spinach, and basically it's looks like tissue paper. It has the seeds in it and also a little fertilizer. So I'm going to take it, tear to length, lay it here, and we're going to come over to the other side and lay to length again. And what I don't use, we'll put back in here. I have it laying flat, and we're just going to take soil and lightly drop it onto the seed tape. And just like that, we have our last crop planted. Now, I'm going to take my drip line and place it back in, tack it down, and then we'll turn the water on. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while I showed you 4 crops that you could plant here in the month of January, Zone 9A, Florida. We planted bok choy, a leafy green. We planted spinach, another leafy green. We planted potatoes, a root vegetable, I guess you could say. And we planted celery, which is not really a leafy green, but we planted celery also. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but it's a guaranteed I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.